President Emmerson Mnangagwa presided over the signing of several memorandum of understanding with Belarus in Minsk on Tuesday, but opposition legislators refused to approve an agreement made to protect and secure Belarusian investments in Zimbabwe. Sana manapinda mashikomblanyo kwa pana patino kuti aiwa vakomana opposition vari kuuya vachidhinaya vachiramba deal rakaitwa nemutungamiri wenyika neBelarus ari kuprotecta nekusecure Belarusian investments munyika yeZimbabwe. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Dinamo Anobodani Wamkenzi Shina Chikomo, the Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs, presented the memorandum of agreement in the National Assembly seeking ratification of the agreement on promotion and reciprocal protection of investments. She said Parliament should approve the agreement by 31 May 2025. President Mnangagwa signed the agreement in 2023, but it does not bind Zimbabwe until it has been approved by Parliament. A parliamentary committee on foreign affairs also recommended that the agreement be approved because it represents a significant opportunity for Zimbabwe to promote investment, foster sustainable development, and strengthen economic ties. Opposition Citizen Coalition for Change MPs voiced disquiet. The coincidence of the minister bringing this agreement before this August House was designed to be timed with the president's official visit currently happening, said Edwin Mushoriwa, MP for ZVAITWA. Mushoriwa said the Parliament cannot approve the agreement without full information on the balance of trade between Belarus and Zimbabwe. In quotes, we also need to be worried when we end up having a trade agreement which can be manipulated and exploited by few individuals who are connected. Vizo MP Koben Madziwanyika said the agreement would only benefit Belarus since Zimbabwe will only be importing finished products, including tractors. Another MP, Mutsa Morombezi, said Parliament should not become a rubber stamp for executing deals. It's a document that potentially grants disappropriate power to foreign capital with little accountability. I therefore call upon this House to defer the approval, she said. Ndomba tiri kuona kuti aiwa madeals akasainwa nemutungamiri wenyika neBelarus panguva ino mamwe acho tiri kuona kuti they are being rejected, especially nema MPs opposition. Kuonekwa kunzi vari kubenefita ingori Belarus chete. Nyika Zimbabwe seems like we are just providing the services kuti iyo Belarus ibenefite pamwe chete nevanhu vari closely associated kumutungamiri wenyika. Pinda comment section medu zimafunguro enyu kuti kundipa pamusoro pechitwe ichi. Subscribe or like, channel bell icon.